is here, and it's time for another safe and sane demo for you. But before we show you the firework, say hello to Sergeant Pyro.
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro, you got this giant 500-gram fountain. What do you got tonight?
SS Thrusters.
And who's it from?
Red Lantern.
Yes, Red Lantern Fireworks. And now, I gotta tell you, we got this down at, you know who, Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com. Get all your fireworks, Arizona, safe and sane city. If you're in New Mexico, you can get legally aerials and safe and sane. And also, everybody from California, come on over for your safe and sane. Oh, yeah. All right. Now, we got some interesting artwork here, Sergeant Pyro. Look, we got, what is that? That's the
Space Shuttle.
Space Shuttle. And we got some fireworks explosions down here. There we go. We got an astronaut going around. Yeah, now we're going to see the caution down here, blah, 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 blah. We noticed there was no performance on this, right?
There is not.
None. Okay, we're coming around. There's the astronaut again. And we're going to take a look on the top. There we go. All right. So, tell you what, I'm very excited about this one. Let's head out to the launch pad. And today, it's so big, we gotta go to the street pad. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go! All right, so we're at the street pad with SS Thrusters by Red Lantern Fireworks. Go ahead, Sergeant Pyro. Light away. All right, we're gonna come out. Here we go. I think this is going to be a biggie. By the way, this fountain had some weight to it. Whoa! Yikes! What a whistle! Oh, I don't know if I could hear myself. Whoa! That was cool.
I heard that in California.
Amazing! Whoa! Look at that! It's spinning! Wicked!